Well going guys. Everything good? Yeah man, my morning up and running cause I finally got my Master 3 airbrush and compressor. Yeah man. But the only perk about it now is cause they gave me 12 paints instead of 6. So I guess they got my support. So Master 3 airbrush. First one. Woo! Gravity feed. Oh my god, this is beautiful, bruh. Gravity feed. It's the point right there. I guess that's for the paint. Just to go in here, you know. This is the second one. Yes, sir. It's the unboxing. See how the second one is. Got the little holes and everything. Woo! But wait. Where's my little air pump thing? Oh, okay. So that joint built on. Oh, shit. Alright, but this is my third one. It's the same gravity. You know? Joint look nice. Unboxing. This the cleaner for the airbrush. The manual right there, how to use it. How to airbrush, see? Show you all this, man. Yup. Color wheel. Sir. Y'all gonna witness my first custom shoes. I'm gonna custom it probably this weekend. So y'all can look out for that. This is unboxing. Now it's time to box it back up. Appreciate you guys. Check it out real quick. Check out Master Air. This shit look nice. Get them.